Conventional manufacturing can be frustratingly opaque, and limited visibility can put an entire supply chain or product development plan at risk. Fictiv has created a first-of-its-kind solution to provide the transparency you need to stay informed. With every order, you will have immediate access to production status updates as your part goes through various stages of production, quality inspection, and shipping. You can also view inspection photos captured on-site and get streamlined access to quality documentation, including material certs and COCs. This gives you visibility to the production status of every part in one place. Our dedicated program management team will be the first to notify you directly if issues arise and will formulate and execute a correctional plan to keep you on track. And even after your parts are delivered, Fictiv provides secure access to your order data, making it easy to find design files, DFM feedback, and reorder parts. With Fictiv, you get the consistent visibility needed to drive high quality and predictable manufacturing results. This enables you to spend less time chasing down information and more time pushing forward the work that matters.